So we're gonna raise a lot of money for families? Sound like a good idea?
Yeah.
You gonna model in the fashion show with me again?
Yeah. I'm not doing it with respect, so hoping it'll be fun.
You'll have a lot of fun. I'll make sure of it, personally.
All right.
All right, and so will everybody else watching this.
Is that a bet then?
That's a bet. Hi, this is Ashok Rai with Purveya Health, and I am joined today by Bobby Hazy. And the two of us are here to talk a little bit about Bobby. And we're here to talk to you about families of children with cancer.
I like their fishing trip.
Did you ever catch anything on their fishing trip?
Yeah.
What'd you catch? What's the biggest you caught?
I catch some. They're always different every year.
This big, this big, this big?
I think I would caught that one. More like that, probably.
Right about there? Not everybody knows what those beads are for, so why don't you tell me what they're for?
All right. So they're from St. Vincent's, and what they do is they make beads, and I'm not sure what they all mean, but I know like the heart is like a blood test.
How long is your bead chain? Have you ever stretched it all the way out?
Yeah, I didn't measure it.
You didn't measure it? Pretty long? Mm-hmm. Yeah, you went through a lot.
What kind of cancer do you have?
Well, when I was about, I think, 18 months old, I got diagnosed with a cancer called retinoblastoma. It's a cancer that happens in the eye. It's pretty rare. Some kids get one eye, some kids get two eyes. I was a lucky one. I only had one eye, so I lost my right eye when I was young. So this one's fake.
I can't even tell.
Yeah, I've got a really good artist.
I hope we have fun there at the modeling, when we do the modeling show.
We will. We will. Trust me, it's Green Bay's biggest party for kids and for adults.